Ah, boom, bye, bye, boom, bye, bye. Watch out, no. Today we have a different video for you guys. Before we go no further, like, comment, subscribe, hit the post notification bell so you guys can be notified when we put up another video. However, this video is a very sad one. However, this video is about the legend himself, Young Dolph. And if you guys was following the Young Dolph murder trial, that shit didn't even last 2 days or 3 days, bro. Because the judge already knew what he was gonna do with them niggas. He's like, yeah, nigga, you're going to jail for life. But anyway, Young Dolph life was taken in Memphis. I think it was Memphis. And we're gonna react to the video, bro. Bro, there's a whole bunch of snitching. There was a whole bunch of 6ix9ine shit going in this. Bro, let's dive into it. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's go.
Y'all rocking with me, and for this video, we're gonna be speaking on the Young Dolph trial and Cornelius, the main shooter, being the top snitch. Trial has officially started for the murder of Young Dolph, and things are already heating up. Justin Johnson, a failed rapper who goes by the name Straight Drop, is first up in the courtroom. He stands accused of being the driver of the white Mercedes.
Hey yo, one thing with Young Dolph, yo, this is one thing there's one thing I could say, yo. I think Young Dolph should have had more security, but I guess he's thinking like, yo, I'm in Memphis, I'm cool, this is my city, and I'm good. But bro, if you realize, yo, a lot of these rappers, a lot of these people, they lose their lives in their neighbor, like in their community or the city they're from. Like, either they have like beef or just some hating ass motherfuckers who just don't like the success, bro. And Young Dolph was one of them niggas, bro.
Ladies that followed Dolph's Corvette, the Makita's Cookies, in South Memphis. His co-defendant, Cornelius Smith, would exit the passenger side and open fire on Dolph with a Draco. Justin would follow close behind.
Yo, this nigga can't even control the Draco. Hold on, look at this shit. Look at this nigga. Like, look at this shit.
Fire on Dolph with a Draco. Justin would follow close behind.
This nigga almost shot himself.
Opening fire with the handgun. Sadly, an autopsy report would reveal Dolph was shot a total of 22 times.
Holy fucking shit. I never knew that. You want to tell me they shot this nigga 22 times? Bro, what the fuck? That's diabolical. Yo. Bro, that shit is sad as a... Bro, yo, you know how many vengeance this kids are gonna grow up with, bro? Especially if them kids like is affected by this nigga's death. They're gonna grow with vengeance. They're gonna grow for revenge, and that's how this never-ending war continues, yo. Because his kids might turn around and be like, "Hey, yo, listen, I'm gonna seek revenge on my dad. If I can't catch y'all niggas, I'm gonna go for y'all peoples." And Dolph people might be trying to like hit them niggas, but they can't get those people. So guess what they do? Go for their people. That's how that never-ending war, bro. That shit is crazy. 22 times is crazy, bro.
He wasn't the only one. Marcus Thornton, Dolph's blood brother, was in the store with him when the shooters opened fire. The shooters were so focused on Dolph they didn't even target Marcus, and because of that, Marcus drew his own handgun, returning fire and striking both shooters. Marcus would empty his weapon, chasing after the shooters and grabbing another gun from the Corvette, opening fire.
Marcus is a real bad man. Marcus is a real bad man. Yo, imagine you see your brother get, bro, right now, brother, yo, imagine you see your brother get shot, bro, and there's nothing you could have done but just shoot back and you not even kill one of them, bro. Like, yo. But shout out to Marcus. Marcus, I'm gonna empty this. Bum, 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 bum.
Again on the getaway car. Justin would be grazed in the back, while Cornelius was shot in the arm and leg. On the first day of...
So Marcus actually hit these niggas. They just didn't die. He just didn't hit them in the right spot. Shout out to Marcus, bro. You were MVP, bro. You were MVP. I'm just sorry your brother didn't survive, bro.
Justin would face his worst enemy by far, and it was none other than Cornelius, his co-defendant. By now, Cornelius was fully cooperating and willing to testify. He was an addict, struggling with the death of his 9-year-old son who died 3 months before, as he abused ecstasy and oxycodone to numb his pain. He testified in court he didn't know Dolph, and the day he killed Dolph was also his daughter's birthday. It would seem Cornelius was...
Brother, this is a waste, man, brother. This man is a waste. Bro, you want to tell me your daughter's birthday is the same day you went and killed young Dolph? Really, nigga? Really? The same day you kill young Dolph is the same day as your... Bro, you're not prioritizing life, bro. You're not prioritizing life at all.
Nothing more than a vulnerable man desperate for money with nothing to lose. The exact reason he was recruited. Cornelius would identify himself and Justin in the courtroom while viewing the surveillance video. He couldn't give a number as to how many times he shot Dolph, and when asked what he was thinking, he said nothing. He was only thinking of the money he was promised. Justin stated in court that Big Jook, the older brother of Memphis rapper Yo Gotti and the second in command of CMG Records, dropped a $100,000 bounty on young Dolph. The beef between Dolph and Yo Gotti was well known and laid out in multiple songs, as was the previous attempt on Dolph's life.
Alright, hold on. So, does that mean that Yo Gotti might know something about this? Since his older brother put the hit out on Dolph? 100 grand, bro. Bro, that shit, bro, I ain't gonna lie to you, dog. That shit is whack. I ain't gonna lie to you.
In which Dolph dropped the song mocking the shooters called 100 Shots. With Jook allegedly dropping the bag, a man named Hernandez Govin, who served as a scouting agent for CMG, is accused of arranging the hit. Justin was thirsty to become the next big star of CMG, and Hernandez knew Cornelius could easily be taken advantage of, as Hernandez was the one supplying him drugs and feeding his habit. The plan itself was sinister. It was mid-November, and Cornelius knew Dolph was around because of his yearly turkey giveaways in the hood. So that was the plan. While Dolph was handing out turkeys, they were going to kill him, with no consideration for the volunteers or hungry families in attendance. It just so...
Bro, you're really bro, listen to me good, bro. Y'all really see a nigga about to help his community by giving out turkeys, and y'all really have the audacity to try to kill this nigga while he's gonna give turkey out? Something is mentally fucked up with y'all, bro.
Corvette in traffic and followed it. After Dolph was killed, Justin would FaceTime Jook and using sign language would spell Dolph, letting Jook know it was them that killed him. According to Cornelius, Jook promised to see them soon. $20,000 was supposed to be paid to Hernandez for organizing the hit, and $40,000 apiece to each shooter, totaling out to $100,000. Cornelius would testify in court. He only received $800, and after...
Ain't no way, my boy. Ain't no fucking way, my boy. Ain't no motherfucking way, my boy. So Jug, or whoever this nigga is, promise y'all 100 racks. Y'all niggas kill young Dolph for $800 fucking dollars, bro. $800 motherfucking dollars, bro. That shit don't make no sense, bro. Did it rain on your daughter, dickhead? Tell me. $800 for kill bumbucklat Dolph. This a real bumbucklat madness to pussyclat. You take $800 for kill a man where you could have probably approached and give you more than that. Or you could have probably start work for him and get more than that. You could have probably tell him a situation and him probably help you out more than what you end up reaching. And no. $800 bumbucklat dollar for kill Dolph.
He was arrested. His lawyer was paid $50,000 by Big Jook. On January 13th, 2024, Big Jook will be gunned down outside of a restaurant following a funeral. Video of Jook laying lifeless on the ground would make its way to social media, and an endless amount of Dolph emojis would flood the comments. Had Jook not been murdered, it's more than likely he'd also be charged in the case. By now, everyone has been arrested. Justin's brother Jamarcus will be the fourth man charged in this case, as he assisted his brother in escaping after the shooting, and he's already pled guilty to 3 counts of accessory after the fact.
Yep.
He's expected to receive a 6 to 12-year prison sentence. As for Justin, Hernandez, and Cornelius, the evidence is overwhelming, and with the star witness being the main shooter, we can expect to see life sentences handed out for Justin and Hernandez. The prosecution made it clear to Cornelius that even though he's testifying against his co-defendant, no promises have been made, and he's still going to prison. One of the more disturbing things said by Cornelius was that the day they caught Dolph, it was also his daughter's birthday. The prosecutor asked, "You went and killed a man on your daughter's birthday?" And Cornelius responded with, "I'm trying to make it rain for her. I wanted to make a beautiful day for her."
Never got it to rain, my boy.
So instead of a father of 5 spending...
I know what's gonna rain. I know what's gonna rain. Them niggas gonna rain your butthole, nigga. That's what's gonna happen in jail, in prison. They gonna rain that butthole, and they probably kill your stupid ass, bro. That's what's gonna happen. Look at Jug. See? People found out Jug had something to do with it, or assume he had something to do with it, and look what happened. Wise up. Wise up. Wise the fuck up. And one more thing I want to tell y'all. Why we ain't seen no Black Lives Matter movement when black people killing black people? That's why this shit is only happening when white people kill white people. White people kill black people. And don't come over here talk about, oh, it's a movement, it's a this, it's to stop. The same energy y'all have against them fucking white people killing black people is the same energy we should have for black people killing black people. When another black person kills another a fucking person, guess what? Oh, it's gang related. Oh, it's street related. Oh, it's this, it's that. Bro, we need to stand up for ourselves. You just kill a dude that had kids that's gonna have to live the rest of their life seeing their fucking father getting shot. Then your dumbass, your daughter ain't never gonna see your stupid ass again because you have life in fucking prison. And somebody might kill you in there. So you tell me, bruh, was it worth it?
Time with his daughter, the junkie that is Cornelius Smith gunned down a Memphis legend only to receive $800 and a jail cell. We'll just have to wait and see how much prison time he actually gets. Now, me being a Dolph fan, I'm a little bit biased in this situation because fuck them. You had a failed rapper, a junkie,
Facts.
and then a talent scout / alleged drug dealer all working for CMG. Big Jook apparently put out this hit. They planned to gun down Dolph at a fucking turkey drive. I don't ever want to hear that I'm the problem. People are like, oh, why do you cover these cases? You be making this look bad and this and that. When motherfuckers are planning to gun somebody down at a turkey drive, I don't ever want to hear shit about me making fucking videos. Justin thought he was going to be the next big thing, and he's not. Cornelius thought he was going to be up $40,000, spend it on his daughter, whatever. He's not. Hernandez thought he was going to come up on 20 bands for setting the whole hit up. He's not. And Jook most likely didn't predict that his life was also going to end. Now, there's a lot of rumors behind this situation. There's a lot of people speaking on Ricos and a Rico for CMG and all roads leading back to Yo Gotti and everybody trying to tie him into this situation. Jook is his own man. There is no evidence at this time tying Yo Gotti to a fucking thing, so we're not gonna entertain that. At the end of the day, a Memphis legend, a Southern rap legend, was killed. And hearing the reason why,
Yeah, it's stupid.
It's just so fucking stupid, as it is with many cases. This is why I cover these topics, to show you how things aren't worth it, because there's plenty of young crash outs that watch these videos that think 100,000 is so much fucking money when in reality it's not. $20,000 to organize a hit, $40,000 to do this. Listen, instead of being a fucking crash out, be a YouTuber, and you can go drop $100,000 like it ain't a fucking thing. You can run up $50,000 in a month off of dropping videos.
Bro, bro, listen, I'm trying to tell y'all, bro, there's a lot of money in YouTube, social media in general. Bro, look at Kai Cenat, Duke Dennis, the AMP squad. Look at the freaking dudes in the UK, Chunks, Philly, Harry Panera. Bro, all those guys are literally rich off YouTube because YouTube opened the door to other venue of money, right? So YouTube is that gateway to get you in. For example, like myself, I like the gym. I like going to the gym. One of my biggest thing I said I'm going to achieve is getting sponsored through Gymshark. So Gymshark opened that gateway for you to meet people, talk to people, get to talk business ideas, and bring that idea to reality, bro. So like dude just said, you can run up a quick 40, 50, $100,000 on YouTube if you're just consistent with it. Look at Homeboy Chain. That chain probably something close to a couple hundred thousand. I'm close to 60, 70, 80, 100 something thousand. You might never know. It could be fake, but we just gonna assume it's real. We're not gonna put that shit on the dude because dude do a lot of work. He got like a mil in subscribers. So bro, drop the guns, drop all that tough boy shit, bro. Grab you a fucking camera. If you're fucking dumb as hell, I've seen a lot of dumb people do videos, bro. Like grab a camera, go fucking vlog your day. Nigga, y'all could have vlogged how y'all live in the hood and people would tune into that shit. People would have tuned into a day in the life in Memphis hood or some shit. People would have tuned into that shit. I would have tuned in. Because I want to see what that side of life is for y'all. Y'all could have done that. But guess what? Y'all took the gun up and killed a fucking dude for $800. That none of y'all ain't never going to live to spend. God bless you.
But YouTubers aren't what's praised, right? Everybody wants to be the rapper, the shooter, the this, the that. Well, then pay the fuck attention to how Justin looks in that courtroom. While Cornelius is doing the definition of snitching. They committed a crime together, and Cornelius is 1000% ratting on Justin and everybody else involved. But what else could you expect from a piece of shit who, instead of spending time with his daughter on her birthday, went and did a hit? Most likely with the intention of fueling his drug habit that's been caused by the death of his child. This lifestyle leads to nothing but misery and pain. And misery and pain is what they're gonna have in the future during that prison sentence, thinking about how they made a decision that ended a man's life, took a father away from his kids, took an artist away from the world, and now they have nothing themselves. But I'm gonna keep y'all updated with this case. They're expecting the trial is only gonna last a few days, so this is not gonna be like YSL, where we have months of updates. But if an update comes that isn't worthy of an entire breakdown, y'all check out my YouTube shorts, cause I'm jumping on that too. But hey, it's 1090 Jake. I'm rocking with y'all, and y'all rocking with me. Rest in peace to Dolph. Till next time. Hey, what's up, everybody?
All right, yo. So, shout out to 1090 Jake. Dude's doing great work. If y'all want to check out more of his content, feel free to go over there and check it out. But yo, I just want to tell y'all this, bro. Before we go, bro, I want to tell y'all this, bro. Listen, I'm no gangster. I'm no killer, but I know a lot of these people. I've been around a lot of these people. You get me? I've been around a lot of these people in Jamaica. And I'm going to tell y'all this, bro. Your life is worth more than what you see people do when it comes to being a gangster, being a thug, being a killer. Your life is worth more than that, my dog. Trust me, it's worth 100% more, because I'm going to tell you like this, bro. I'm going to be honest. You're only going to end up either dead or in jail. And what's the sense? Why would you want to give your freedom up? Because you wanna get street cred, my nigga? It's not worth it, dog. But yo, bro, that shit is sad, bro. And that shit, like when I heard Dolph died, bro, I like, bro, my eyes got a little teary, bro, and I was like, bro, fuck, man, Dolph, bro, Dolph, because I was, bro, my homeboy Ian, shout out to Ian, shout out to my boy Chef, bro. Ian put me up on Dolph when I just moved here, bro. And then I heard he was independent, and that shit kind of motivated me to like do my own shit, like get in, not rapping, nigga. I know the rap, nigga, but it put me to like be your own boss, get your shit together, and that type of stuff. You know what I mean? But shout out to Young Dolph, yo. Rest in peace, Dolph. Shout out to his family, condolences, and bro, put that shit down, bro. Violence is not the way. Trust me. Anyway, yo, like, comment, subscribe, and we see you guys in the next one, yo. Peace.